a Juma station when I acquire where
my fan, yeah, Juma. Because I not me role model about guy be a friend of Trigmatic, so
yeah.
Oh yeah. He's that guy who is dope at music, no side dope war media side. So I was looking on him. Oh yeah, media because or per se Nagana phone supporting the craft no. Into no per se or no. Engineer homa on ne ho. Eba media side na into Korea media side no. Into na me hwe saade no. Say a farmer a man no so a command so. And I think so. Our creative music nigga kind of go into the media part.
So what made you think see an Trigmatic now call for and Sony music in the Munti and more cool media?
You your audience, like you your fan, you see Ghana, who a chair, who are the any chain wa anymore no. I say yebo no. Yebo the Osha bono, who mistakes no more. Internet coach line no. Or no who mistakes no more than what would not pitch no so.
Inti 2020 now comment on 2020 now comment on. Now we say they now comment on. Now me wo hobby. Me I saw you auditioning now. Uremu 3 times. And you na money abna lights abna Morgan and abna lights yeah.
Wait to who ko ha man for
they don't see can they
like you na I saw you na now she shoe say na
no
they don't see can 3 times as now can area
like and then on your first person no obi now she shoe say now attire white now boxer say
let's name butan assembly so or kaipa me hu say ampa na o hobi
so
okay ohun kwame kwesiama uga
I saw Kwesiama Uga there.
Kwesiama Uga freestyle section.
I saw it.
So
me, I don't remember, but I know Kwesiama Uga because Mimi is a she girl.
Oh, I see.
You know, so I know Kwesiama Uga da dance on over mentor.
Ain't he? Oh, the guy in bathrobe no.
Nah.
Sir, the more friend bathroom jacket was there.
Jacket. Now I on jacket now. Yeah, chechire no. And na was so ura inside no be show. Obi here say hey guy be ni. Yeah. I think say okọ back no mo silver.
Yeah, first one no.
Omo silver.
First one First one me nya bounce. And I'm sabe be.
Okay, that means okọ 2019.
Debbie 2020.
2020 now.
Yeah, 2020 now. I think that me call first one. No must say Debbie. Me call am insanya dey and some baby. E ho na me nya silver no.
So me I remember say we pay buy and we nya silver.
Yeah.
So when you that process ni nyina awie and I kwa Accra for audition no. Okoya, I saw you as a one performance near different. As a ultimate the chain be children sa now acted to say obi as a what or ya drag at the TB and I say you slow I say. Oh, so I saw Message performance because me that time me so me audition be but that time na my first time audition because me 2020 and 2021 of which 2020 no. Me nya silver me sa ko bi me ne bouncing me wo Kumase wona and e bouncing me so me no me ni di machi some kodru main stage ni na performances ni na abna light there ono no ni
abna Morgan corner light and so
abna light na abna Morgan but abna Morgan there ni enim so ono so no that kind of attitude bad, like you. Also on who has a body girl.
Your house on na me ne click pa. Obi abetest, obi abeka
because me so na click because that girl.
Ba him so film chrome. Me na me nim kwa say enuafo.
Sir.
Me ko me find out say enuafo house so.
Wow.
Oh yeah. And then long family but ye bang. It's na me no home. Sa no money na me no kwan in timidi sa there no and then you every head as sometimes me na me the idea na man tell you kwa you say and I say yeah so like na me one day me ne party to say but say you know obi find any way out obi
na mutimi yesa ho no
yeah oh some mo kwa mo me
do ka pepa mu ni na o na wana be won say me ni ani na say that say
camera so baby aside say mo be wo sa there
connection no
but enya dia mu ebia mu mienu nkwa betima sha wan kona
the camera
yo ho kesi say ya nyina tim bi dino
it's a big brother line
good but you be din komo ye ni ni me komo ye di obi su no obi din komo
enye paase me na me okay
me pacho JB utimenka na with the Xnaiq so when Xnaiq videos so now with the ato ase amame Xnaiq let's talk about performances and e mental
okay
then now we craft na here fana now the free with performances
okay with performances on me craft no me imagine say I want to stand out
okay
time bia me imagine no you see this thing Black they do now it be something where I say what try to hold that I say like or you not just say me we draw this how I come this how I will come so like the thing you go there for your head inside there or hold that it is when you start opportunity now then you have to prove it like you have to show them say me I get them this how I get them say number one
maybe we with jacket saying that is we first intro me fan saying we intro to it with jackety that is so start at the bar audition no and now what they performing and say you know why not who is all dresses are because I've never seen anybody doing this on stage
that will make you stand out and then a bit more obi who say
exceptional
Charlie won't come like obi to tell
so one or criteria
onim let me tell you me a story in there you know the bathrobe that I was wearing there you know man me anga me cry and me tongue I can't lie.
We discussing a cry and
I catch you. Na me ton bathrobes like na me talk bathrobes na my tongue. Inti there was a day nearby betray video. I had a manager, no sorry, video director, Hassan PMG. And I was bro. Charlie no my uton with the bathrobe. No be me who say obi a she be cry be yen try bibi was so. On this idea na mama. So you start from there. You trust that video like right after that video no and I'm a mentor no it's we just say you follow Sadia no
trends no
send a bear obia can Xnaiq that guy with the rope one of them
so you also brand and car dey ba to send a kwesi atade bo dwa na wo dwa na wo so
let me come to this kwesi atade no ko no say fans near say one may pad no one may adopt sister lifestyle no wajai buy what wrong we see near wrong what catch say when you into no wrong be like me could do baby me pick your style na fi there we be sua wa was wajai
me who ye pa
so
because there was a time na me na dem udi nkomo
I grade them
enye obofo na na atimi ase me hu obofo so she nose mask obofo reverend obofo
no obofo dey obey them
me hu ya so she nose mask
baby girl no num tia no pa no
to be honest my beautiful eyes will never lie to me
so your money different
I saw see ya video na JB dey to so I saw obofo I saw she nose mask
tia ohun your money different o di ba ko ne kan there
I see and e be on one e wo ni so e be on one
in your own world obofo in your own world
so obofo you fun to be with enya one was obetimi akọ
all black which one is class all normal
so and one and I'm a person me I just wanted to stand out like many Xnaiq you know that guy with the robe bathrobe and one but me near them didn't come on it do time be you know so like she said the kwesiata ka so when you start thinking into we ya kwesi saying bathrobe no a normal thing now be betimi this guy there akoto so person we managing na e was come with customized ones e be a Versace or ko Versace what you say chale munya me de ma me mo bia nse bi that one to it go cost you
it comes with money
we have to take yes Kumasi ni my word
it's Xnaiq me person me bisa say with all this kind of crafts now with the bar stage in so no didn't na hu say one get it to that extent now person
it was only one thing
what
Kumasi the love with Yano and Akuma but say obey invest woman no you no go do am
onye hu hwe pass the parkour me be invest kwa
obebi obeka say obey bigger you no go see me
internet say producers and managers on what they eduabo ka ho oba
me I know see enti for mentor with votes Enti na me drew semi-finals no man ko biom no.
Oh, okay.
Na vote, na nye bibia, na nye performance, na nye bibia.
Because now o performance.
Because I do time.
Back to back performance and anchor for any gym.
Oh yeah. Even my colleagues na me no mo na bi mu kura so me. Oh yeah. Me here rehearsal se bi mu betete ho. Because me time am obi adeda no. That how no me rock see bo how here rehearsal so be hu. That be the time these people will come there. They won't see you how you go do this week.
Obey your rehearsal. Inti Xnaiq ye share say because of vote inti a yen share wa ba fie. Obey fie no. Ye you free now obey fie no. When your management be ana mo maso mu ana say wa na we wa de.
Okay. So before crime comment on no more management, I had a good like people that they were around me. Me free mentor by you know. Me free hona me no. I had an investor. But on him Ghana no and Akumasa no. Even your management when they see the investors sell more inner, they want to have their share. They make an so better say enti nkomo bi wo kra wonte e bi kra na sika bi aba wonte ho hwe. So I felt like yo Charlie I don't know Moses I made the whole album. So album no na Black Sheriff also YP also. That's vibration after graduation. Because after mentor na be try me ICM na me we MIGT. Right now I'm done with the school for my family. I'm up to semi school my way. So I did the album and I'm titled on vibration after graduation. A whole album like 8 tracks on the album. Investor eka chem so be mama amount say apartment say car the studio everything was there. But later I just say obiyawa and na because na right now I go feed do meet my man there. Investor
na anya o man ye yawa na say den
onim e be free baby if you dey free
baby e free ni e pesi ehu no say e free investor na wo management na wa na say wo ankasa wo mu.
If you management no
then
okay, do you know what boss say oh yeah only obi ko contractor now you uni akra if I put the new assembly aside
business is
they will go business. This is me that I'll go business now me management afraid I catch them say why you dey rush like that. Meanwhile me then you go your paper so your contract and time now so say I say me say check you know give me what I like or what's what demand me no check. Now maybe fair work at you say Charlie that you know they come on now who ankasa team like management or manager ankasa on any nam I just say you do rush too much like why you do rush like that now they number bro crowd be vex so it's a whole lot
now woman or money or more pana ebia they expect something from you of which they are not getting it
no Juma record label like how your man just dropped the album business big time business so mo na mo be hu say Black na drop the album no but the record label no na kuta bibia album no so e be percentage but say record Black ka say album no record label no ka say album no bro ye peni nyina ye pese ye to aside record label no say artist no business yo
yeah that's one is true yeah
enti say enyum na wo so di na record label no ka say mo pay they want to own the right to everything they will have to pay him like they have to give him some amount be keeping no
that is you the artist
so then when ya na still na streams ni royalties e be nyina record label you go vex
okay so me yemfa say ansa na hu ne say niema bi won ma wunya no album no ekoye to an extent say odwin say sika ba mu ana
oh yeah because album of Black Sheriff any Fatherland that's only Fatherland
no
go to Okonof right now the one stubborn boy in the rain
me mehu
of Philly Stadium ina
yeah mehu that guy
stubborn guy
mehu that guy
gada mu nina who says our boy no na wa say all the kuta bibia I no go lie you
now one guy Zamani he knows Zamani so not now
he did it but right now Fatherland be the northern king
you know this thing be time them brand now soon also yeah fancy got them sir optimistic Emma Shatoli Kakas now when I pin it like what you president to
yeah fancy that I mean boy that
Really?
Yeah, in boy that. In boy be that guy. And as you see,
very hard guy.
That Fadlan guy, me didn't. Oh no, me no. Me dey on no Black Sherif to album. So YP did the album top. Kweku Talent, Kweku Fling. That I work on the album.
Which year?
2020, I did tell you.
2020.
Right after Mentor, me drop the album.
Your first album.
That means that that time the crown up Black Sherif, Nyame, Pumi. That time no we release the first sermon.
Right after I dropped the album. No, I drop a first sermon.
First sermon, okay.
First sermon.
There be one TS, and only the SHS, as after SHS.
Coming up, no, but the man here, big, no, first sermon.
First sermon.
Ne I drop it. Enti hono.
Meba, enti album ne buy and sana Black Sherif release first sermon na ase no mo uncompleted building.
And no question that come so be posty and
no say killer don't lie when I say I did.
No, there be we go pull up or say yeah pull it up more ya ne killer boy there too. Yeah, that be
there be no second sermon.
Oh, is that a remix wo mu?
There be second sermon na we no. And sana remix with Benna Boy na ba. But first sermon ne dey no ugina uncompleted bi mu.
No official video. You be no
I visualize it.
And I say yeah, no official video.
Okay, so
it's the first sermon who release and sana who release first sermon. That means that time no. All these people now work some more album ni swing na no mum blow like now.
Let me tell you about music. Let me tell you. Yeah, YP count that
blow.
I want to tell you something about music right now. Say see na no mum blow ye me boa. Na obebula right now do you know say people still go back to listen to Black Sherif, where the money they
yeah.
Do you know that? Say I'm focused the Sukuti.
Yes.
So the numbers they rise.
Yes.
It's a honor also who say nah I didn't see them. And then the man big BIS town here say the time only I drop it till me one mentor in and only I me say and drop it kwacha. Me they get kwacha before they Kevin boy kwacha.
Yeah. But they be say me ba
go search. I don't go. I get me then sorry. I get me then Black Sherif kwacha. Sika kwacha.
Yeah, I've heard of that song.
Alhamdulillah for the blessing. That song. Me then I'm do years before and only
Kevin Boy. Kwacha. Okay.
Kwacha. You know, enya y'all talk.
There be
Kelvin Boy. Yeah, but maybe right now what me person you get it clear. I was saying say, oh the album naba. But okay say, make key comparison of it being said Black Sherif and your money I will release him maybe a chemu. Say I getting numbers. Yes, getting numbers, but me make us at that time now who know record label no and no management no more working on the album no. All these people now who bomudino make us a UYP for all these people now what they are now. So if say meba if say on say enyomo no mo release album now ye ni mo he so right now no obi betie nyom na otie nyom na say bia ye ne de ontie say bia Black Sherif at that time now we release nyom no 2020 because that time Black Sherif was not Black Sherif that we know now. And see it could be say why don't you in a way no so consider say it could be say maybe the kind of money they have invested because who the a whole album about Obeko studio, back to back studio, they are going to pay money, transportation. You guys are going to eat a whole lot of things that maybe me myself I can't add it to it. All these kind of things, you know, invest at that time. These albums, no, so how come? No, mo betimi aye what you who say be satisfy.
If say my man can't wait. I want to give you another example. The same example this year say. I tell you that it just be unim. Let me. My man kasa same way. You drop a album no, with all this list and American, and then you sabi figure. You sabi ye. Me ne Black Sherif no. First time on the buy no. Me sabi ye. You sabi ye sanyum no as remix. Yedi we ne so Fadlan no so and that was sa enyum na with the numbers. So listen, ye kokon aso na make no even se sika kra nyam be ma so wo so beto right to the like album ni nyina, you have to pay me. So uko tono mo to go now the banner and toya. You and toya. You know go there then tell them say me the no money buy for and toyo.
Like once say who can in a way we don't have that management here, and they or more distributor whatsoever or more no push they are not here. So in a way who can there, but me share different side of say be and come and come back because who making Black Sheriff meba who making Black Sheriff statement see in mama adwen ko baby say Black Sheriff senka wa meye Black Sheriff to say na anko obi eni ho beko back akotie Black Sheriff nyom. That's one point. Because Black Sheriff be blow we enough will be says akra ben no then no ye so we learned that Black Sheriff ewie wo kumaka no obonyum say na wo ye nyum say na wo gina hana ne now for the video no, but right now Xnaiq, I know you are trying, but unyenru baby a Black Sheriff was so for people to check back of your songs is low than Black Sheriff now.
You know what? You know why the investors came in? They were watching my performance like the way you are saying, say
mentor,
like you were feeling it. Like, Charlie Akore. So obeba no, obe make sure say, who say sikabeba adiwe ma, first can kushem.
Yeah.
So when you are coming,
you are ready for anything.
Anything. It is a obano. Now Felix say, listen, one thing where you pay me for this side is this thing that I want to say right now. Right, I need Sheriff right now. Sheriff, you need Sheriff now the song blow. Sheriff blow. We you need a contact McDonald like that skate. Sheriff manager a road. We now we be family. We just day together like that. We they move like. We talk or say, Charlie, right now the man get label. I will say, yeah, budget, mama.
Really?
Oh yeah, and I was talking about 10,000.
10,000.
Yeah, for the
budget for who?
For Nyomuno. Say, you be shoot video and I say you be say Black Sheriff be posting Nyomuno crowd now.
Like everything 10K.
Like into when air kasamu here 10,000.
The management.
More management.
Yeah, management. Sheriff in the management.
Black Sheriff in the management. Okay, say be a more person with video and there be 10,000. That was which year?
2020, 2021. That be when your man blow like or your hot cake.
Okay, so 10,000. That is fair. Yeah, see, 30 year. Can I say
100 million?
100 million. See, kada then 100 million. Yeah, and that time the management no most about they couldn't afford.
Yes,
they couldn't afford.
They didn't do it, bro. And when they catch him, send me Russian. I was like, I was talking to this guy. I don't want to mention his name. Or US. I was like, bro, this thing you people they do, mention you. Your man go call my manager say, why me at the cocoa and the me on him say,
hey,
you can't bring me contract.
Hey, artist Ben no.
On your artist investor no.
Investor no. They also outside. You don't want to mention his name.
I'm not catching me say me name say when you give me contract, they open my yama on my yama. Right now, we make serious, make it do.
It's time for you to promote the song.
And then you are telling me,
you don't have 100 million. That is 10,000.
Me say,
but it shocked me like a whole management. I want to mean 100 million. See, another 100 million. Maybe they be 2020 as management there to me.
You don't talk anything. You have to provide it.
What's your say? A loan crowd because one in a sign contract.
Good. Contract there. And you know na me go kan and they felt like I said me I be this. Sir, I be this. Me no ma contract like me my family self no say right now I dey okay. But me bleed. You can't talk my mommy. Oh, they can't talk my me. I get house. Me, my family then get house. Big house. Me, but you know what? They can't talk my mommy and my puppy. Say them motorway. I say they can't give me apartment, so I go leave the house.
Okay. So she say now who's parents? Ni say we free you know. On my high baby. Oh, tall.
Oh man, and then they tell them like they told them that oh my mom studio. My car, like I'll have my like you know like artist vibe, you know.
Yeah.
And everything was like, yo, trash, bro, stop playing. More I'm gonna money with you. And then your family will start thinking that who you serious about Bonimana.
Okay, so maybe say This is all. Maybe.
It's normal.
Star Flex bahasi. Now occur something similar in a way to say.
Star Flex they were the same record label. I don't believe you.
Oh.
That be when meaning be so tight Avenger no.
So he be your party sense.
I don't lie you. Me they and they sleep together, they wake up together, they cook together.
Oh, he be your party.
Star Flex be my man. I don't lie you.
Since the 80s.
But he knows say I vex him.
Oh why?
When him Xnaiq meba. Ayaon. I say
my vexing am yenyum the sir.
Oh yeah.
And I'm more year before say mo vexing.
Like this thing. Oh bro, see. The music thing we they do for you, no love, bro. Stop playing. Memo be and control.
No love.
No love. Focus it. Keep going.
Maybe you can't make any statement on TETE online TV. Now what I say when Star Flex our issue of which
issue
but maybe what's you verse if you verse
then you see how they do this.
Okay, so
issue.
Okay, so when me fan say wa can sama ma na show. So spit it out.
Let me tell you.
See how they are see my vexos what they are see.
On cancer.
On time see everyone.
Yeah.
It's today now person Star Flex.
Oh no, he my man. You know say my man. We see, let me tell you something.
He's watching.
Maybe can't send and what's the name?
Boss Love.
Good. Nana Fum. See, and I also then. Imagine you cook like money you any boss man say na mommy and someone no aduane. Then aduane pay you know like you folk come chop. Now I can say oh Charlie me kwa bonti ma ko twebia ba. Senior man so no ko twebia. O ba ya na Goslav any ako frank of from
I go vex wa bro.
I
go beat you. I go vex we I go beat you.
Shit, me I no be cap nigga. Me I know the fear face me into me kasa. I be one person where I want make you feel it come am the year wa.
Oh yeah, that is
so me issue our hane say one mama scenario.
I don't know. I don't want to make count.
I don't want to make
count. I don't want to be na care. Then I never do. What friend of from me? What be dear? Bro. It's never come on.
That means we scenario ne patch say bia when the Star Flex ashe bibi.
We did a banger. I don't go lie you. We did a banger.
Yes.
And everybody knows yes, we did a banger. Avenger is a hit song.
Oh, Avenger.
Yes.
And then later you can come and say, oh, Charlie, my man say.
Make up.
You say, nipa me answer correct me nyina so nipa 2 me I do your best go take this trap.
Oh,
excluding you.
Oh, really?
Real shit.
Oh, so maybe
make I tell you today I go say it for here. Me my energy we are the hold then. I just am cast me energy na me dey enye because I don't want to tell people something about this music industry. This music is it not be normal something no. Music that be why you say music it be spiritual. And then people be on in the year juma no. You don't know what it they attach to like you know when in the background you don't know where they come from. Sako dey to me to be let me tell you Sako dey be the one person will make Kosiata blow. It just tweeted
many artists.
Or say a new guy is coming from Tema. Watch out for him, Kosiata, and then everybody wanted to know Kosiata. And then they start to find out like Akwana Aurora and Hono. And so listen, it should tell you that the energy Sako they give in background you don't know, but say before we promote you no, so if they come work with somebody, you go feel say hey Charlie. No, meaning way they say normal beings like we be cool. You don't know say if you at the go crowd they pray give you don't know. Say me ko bomb pie crowd me bobi man win him. So right now the food make ready. Make you all chop no. What be catch me say bo corner me dem akofo be na be do.
And I think say ku flake kwa blue blacko. And
oh yeah.
Say akọ dey na man platform okay. No twa on Stefiane flaky twa sika remix.
Yeah.
And black call hon.
And on the black flake the black call.
Yeah.
And I say boy when first sermon no.
And one no be the.
Oh no, post here. So you see, this thing they do.
This song first time, really tight in them days, and what do we can't come and pay me because life on the street be so crazy. They get me high on the day. Yeah. And you mommy here for the baby. I don't know why they didn't pay me.
So bro, pains day boys that my inside. Young Kasabe, but me, I feel say Starflex be my brother, like he be my bro. So it's 70 more. Me na have me.
Okay.
Bro. Me and then me or friend is a be.
Oh, say me man talk for the 1 minute.
And then talk ampo.
Like remember
me I be crazy like music. If I dey F with the vibe, that be all.
Okay.
So if I should tell you people how we made Avenger, because so your man cross say yenyi I be my own Avenger. Yenyi sa part in film. I say no, bro, this be the song.
But when him say on Starflex or Powers Empire.
Oh yeah, and I make a joke
because me see a crown, me see me producer Ekase Gumasum, but me they are Starflex na ha say no. You could see some body or can say wa comment audition, but also who strong man no ni see the who is a strong man no or no kind of vision and one hand na ya bouncing into and no throw off. And I said they say me cry me Kobe. Now I met you and he was like, yeah, da. And me producer and pussy and on a day one number, mom, your producer say we should call you.
Yes, right after Starflex text. Say, yo, bro, and producer and text etwaso. So when say menya and ojai wan didn't come on BM.
Okay.
So I felt like within that weekend we still post her. I said, oh.
Okay.
So Starflex be there, man. Let me talk. Me see nipa me ni denyane. Sorry, ye pay you kuchini. Ideas like everything we dey do am. In management, they know me too. I know them. Like we just be one family. But the thing where you pay me, I no go lie you. And then they make catch on the flex. Yo, make I watch the camera and tell you, flex. That's in there. So the thing you pay me, I no go lie you.
So Xnaiq,
but I am not so boomy and kauka video no one and a stepping stone for you.
This is what we feel it say. Oh, afa. Because the way, let me tell you, the way my people. So today, some people still they think they have ended my song.
And also
because I put like when you made the project be out on chain. Because I felt like yo, a minute through. My family and so be fat. And yes, be fat. Because sometimes I go some places and I perform Avenger and they feel like yo, like me who they are for 2 Avenger. Nah, the song is late.
Yeah.
I felt like I pick it.
Long time back.
But your man say, oh Charlie, Kaudi, my slot ka crave nanka. Na me fam faso na.
But first love, this is very painful. Say,
yeah.
My foundation.
Charlie.
The most my do so near you from do be You see that in
the person way you put on for there, no. If the person way you there already.
Yeah.
You pay me. I don't go lie you.
But it's say when you
catch me say management. But with the management, no. A business, a casa. Oh, Charlie, you want J your man? No. What's up? What do you think about? Oh, Charlie, me down do the song. Like yeah, brave or home. See, or also you'll be a person or he's trying. Into at least like, mama mano slot like mama M1 on nenka ne casa.
So is the management costing a lot? Like what's the management?
You talk me be another catcher me say. Management yes sir.
And
but me finding out ne kasa
ono man kan ni nanka ono mo kan
the song be your song so when your investors cry now you still go feel tell them say oh Charlie because say okay say management say the same people wey then or more distribute say chrome enyom be the same people the or more distribute beauty me no nyina anyom.
Okay,
so it be like 1 PM be like family. Inti na kasa unia o say dey o kasa say oh I just want to help my man inti bu de munja no ngina so just like how Oseko monyum bi oni B-strap fly girl on say nka obi a anka Jackie Bass no anka be Oseko verse na dey
yeah that's a smart move
or they can home because that be where the sweetness dey
Oseko's part
part
yeah very
that be smart move.
Ne part near ne.
I didn't know that you treat me this way.
Yeah.
Galebia dada.
Jackie, not Jackie West near hard though. Hard, but
very smooth.
Oh, who say? O say chrome side near catchy. Like I'm up for
TikTok is where you see Dodo trending way no mu use it too much.
Into when you free. Hey, so that means say in a way no na do mo just say verse na ya wa na say.
Let me tell you, it be business side. And on no share with no loyalty. Or share business side no. And then watching the business side and tell obey yawa. Say quiet say wa dwene wo. Do say enu ntine ye. By question why Juni was outside needs too much. We beat my yawa. I hear because say you better was something kai.
What's love? You know this thing, eh?
You know what?
Management. Say what me say you good since the 80s you dear grow you man. What could do baby to say fan say Blacko. Oh, Xnaiq. Me say track bio. Charlie my manager day. And so we know what connection now me say don't staff flex.
Me then you it
because of Blacko.
Yeah, life.
Like for no someone near track bar management empire
baby
and so make us a Blacko 3 more day no be no say no and then kasa
say no need there that means say people no more kasa in team wedding that means they are ignorant they don't know the business side of it
and you know
because say you need to know say Black Sheriff is not working alone
God's like you know Africans me meka say me no na sha say no baby na me say this na come management make us so 3 more day
oh yeah
make us so 3 more day be say
anya
no mun kasa we go beti no man kasa anything management he go program about
okachem say management me tia say o but me sabe find out say na enkomo na betima enkomo like say oh Charlie this guy be my man like oh Charlie for help but you know what they did that time no. Oh, that time no cry. I think somebody o say come drop here and sana Avenger na drop it.
Really?
Oh yeah. Give me. And you now o say come ka say o say me o the erekete sana me tete free me can word no but
I know.
So that song I first dropped that song and sana ebe drop it Avenger no. Because the numbers was there, not numbers no but ne enye kesesa. So that was what they were no motion. They were now more year number games. Omo bon number games and on a ma or cause say okay right now your man no get numbers so what the net so oba binya numbers near also binya ni bio oh yeah that be how the business day me can
so that's what you think somewhere
no, that be how the business day
sanity
that be way they do am
that be how the business day make I no lie you
so
let me tell you me ba sorry say oh yes sir call there na me is Xnaiq na me sako di am say onye verse mamia you know what they go tell you omon catch they go start to go through your catalogs
social media them things
this business enya good idea say nipa asemesi no say ene ne yenwom na ebekọ ana enko enu loyalty ntina nchen you go understand
oh yeah business
but nipa like you know say you the am the asshole as you do the music you all like you make wild Charlie told them the management fair up like me need didn't come from didn't come on Charlie when you say right now the thing open God they check what they catch them the boy what they summertime in them for communicate
but management be we boa by be also say any ma
but me but say ni de ni nyina eto onom with management when start flexing issue ECC
the issue
there be say what like money issue but it is me can say one no asem ni nyina awie say na we expect say nka e bia obeba so any ade money issue but we say ya right enti I'm not saying say you
me ma say example no say ya no aduane na ye bi di me say me kwa ni mu aba you lock the door go bring another person come chop the food
okay enti we dey yam say yam fa no ento onom na ye me we real name an kasa ye den
me wodi bebre o
din bebre ni nyina ebekọ eyinim ebekọ register ni
okay
ebekọ register
ni me do fa me kwaku me papa fa me Smaila
Then
Smiler. Yeah, a Muslim name, Ibrahim Smiler.
Oh, okay.
Because maybe who I am a one also a Kumerica guy. Because now me who saw you not now.
Oh, say yo Asante Kremo like
me 50-50. Me mama Asante, me mama papa. Diana hene wo fenso. So real Asante ni be ma pa me Canada. But me papa na Muslim, me papa be worry me mama nti otubai.
Nti wo mama ma wo to so se.
Me na me panyini.
E na papa ye.
Me na okay. Me papa side. I don't know something about
because also papa ye kremoni. Anti kremoni de ye den a e bi onware ba ko nti na me bisa se.
Me ye kremoni a me ware ba ko.
Ba me bisa so analysis ade mama no e na me hwe de bisa question no.
E ho no south side no me to so be 3.
Wo to so 3 nti wo mama side we ye first, wo papa side wo na to so me yes.
Me mama side ye 4.
4. And now papa side mo yes.
Yep, a dozen.
Won't mean kind.
Oh no, we deputy parents. Pressure day your top. We share union keto.
Yeah, my
union keto because many penny is past there. You just go on into we one as our deputy parents.
Then imagine like last year mo. Na emu na me ye ward pa because imagine here. Mommy no.
When it's okay. Enti say no we free u parents in chain. What okay into what go back to efie because what can say more management
na apartment ni na amaso
ono so apart from say amaso na bia e na manwum ni tie bia obetimi akwakote na omo nchen for the meantime wan kwato na omo nchen anya hwe
me kwato na omo nchen
say bia omunya ma wa apartment no e bia tama mo ye process with album ni nyina no na woni fie anana wo fie na na ekọ
time bia anajo bitimi ko fie be around 1 am e bia me ba ipapi ho me ko candy ho because na pe sound
am pe
yeah inti sango fu so na o sound elecho no abrepo junction metro man side or na I papi ewo
I papi
di chemso plaza echi ho no and I candy so am kom enti that time na metima was studio sema bus studio metima was studio like maybe 8 hours like me go studio was sa kopim sa ibi kra ade bechi now sana makofie
to spend the whole time with that it's say me person me hu say music na ya bibi kan
me businessman
nti businessman then now dealing
then I was like
businessman dey
come in the bibia me you
nti obi be ka say we a businessman who dealing then obi was say
bibia this ke bibia ye aside chrono any ejuma ye nye
okay nti apart say no we need management and how obi
nko
na we ya wa ade we releasing yanom da ben
last month the Yanum dropped last month and it's doing well like
what they all media social
platforms be Yanum
okay into my freestyle
Yanum say imagine sanum ye bedi ya ne nanom ma be striving hard doing this alone some be kai akoa no oni bia na yo no nko ano no bia nim so we busua no no wawi am ba besoa no mommoa me ne e bia me ntina wi asenche fi sensate nyina nyepe nyame na de ma ono anaje
nice
mommoa me no e bia me ntina wi asenche fi sensate nyina nyepe nyame na de ma ono anaje ti o se sisia me wawi ase omoa me so nka me wa nka wada na kokota ko besoa me life here no ami me hu obia me nti obia case minim se me kwanti me corners anye ya me share them na me sua o mo abia abua me ne mami wan sana wa ye o se o ba be sua me mo me ando do ye ho ne wi ase oni pan se hwiate aje ma na bro
well when you say on sound but when you bibi right now what's on you when you my picture since me share with this kind of interview we know obi ye new artists be na oba opushi aka so no aka santo ne nyuma asa enyum no to no no asa suro so obeto nyum
as artist there
David
like happen on stage so
No, minim says Xnaiq. What's in the American Asia? We have some artists. Nipa na abonyum na wie. Wako studio akwa ba se we share one on one say na onya say o chale as otonyum na ontimi flow ema won feel anyway but say wo that kind of vibe no. So I want to know Yanam right. Say was Spotify, Audio Mark, Boomplay, YouTube. I will be a on na we ye. Sika say na odi shame we ye nyom no. My estimate. I know inti na say my estimate one say ye brand no e continue ye pese ye bone ye matewotewo.
With the production side dem come bet ma cost to be 5k.
5,000.
Yeah, with production like this is studio section.
Studio no 5,000.
And some about promotion side though. Opese comedy at all. And they different. TV and radio, not all them say they different. At bloggers, influencers, some person videos no, almost see difference. Different. So like and yes, ketwa dey di hon komo no.
Enti me ba see wo ka media side no. Me wo media ni mu. I want to know something from you.
Okay.
So we releasing nyum ni wi a DJ bia na mo kono ho bonyum ne ma ofri a na obi ju sika.
One man is can ko bi wa ultimate man is ka on your in your face obebo. But apart like
sorry call ye na.
Order.
Enti DJ Ben na wa ju sika hu ne se wa mo.
Bro. Minim de me yo, I know where I'm heading to. And see me then
brand.
You for know you, like you for just know you. Be talking to them like, bro, I know my potential.
Yeah.
Me person me choice, meet my idea no. So if you want to help, do it a bar.
So you don't pay them.
And you say you don't pay them, you go fi pay. But kasa, just talk to them. And on him, you will be a crown pay usika, who potential.
Now promote you.
Who say, Akwawi, woman be 2 years and come home.
Obe blow.
Inti, on so. And then imagine Sani Power your home. Now blue, now I be a club, now Kushana. Bad man.
Your personal DJ cry. You see that?
There are a lot of people who have a more mindset, no, but they brainstorm come out. I say because they are phobia children.
Yeah, and who be paying.
Yep. So yeah, me phobia brami no, who say DJ be bomb anymore. It will be all bam like. What you say? We all bam me. Me didn't come or me party. Me we get vibe like already and son obey DJ and I say me no, cause like just like MIG for students no. You are no guy be Charlie. DJ Kalisma. Me sure so be name no.
Or station
or ultimate.
Yeah,
but Osao open so. That guy no your big plug cause so share Accra artist number come mostly on the dome with media tour on the dome. Na crown open soon. So Accra no on so artist. In a studio back time up studio in a juma. In the tiny pabi say no on who potential that. So you just call him, then talk him, yo, Charlie, what's up? This song, I won't make you put me on. Oh, Charlie, me the once me them you say me them you okay, but I know the other side. What pass what you mo? You go do am. Inti no. And you be brave. To say we need be an alcohol.
Xnaiq, I want to ask you this question. No, what mentor? We educated. What for many process me? For how long? What game ni move for how long? Singing.
Okay. So you name Mamrado.
Yeah, Mamrado.
You name Face.
Yeah.
These are my boys. We I start with like in Kofa. Bekacho say, "Bomi dino kacho say me You tell them say you the lie. Why you the lie?"
Inti Mamrado mo penso. That means say what will get more than 10 years.
Yeah.
More than 10 years.
This is the main reason why I met my friend back to see her. No, I far phone. No, I say, Charlie, what's up? Then echo. Like we have that. Cause 2014, not you bad hear me best. They make I tell you this thing. Me, I have who have me features now. My name go for. I said I go take money. Charlie come take. If people wear me then them, we just day corner.
No more hassle boom.
It be a crowd, be a strategy, but. Or start time no show potential na now. He say, hey, this guy. Cause me and J Bad we get some. Obi to them there. So you how you do am? Say, bro. you for the work. Who the year Jumano?
But maybe who can't fit amrado time now.
Amrado Bahan there. Cashin so in boy friend is Nick. Okase Debia, or say nah, you
lie. So how old are you? Where do you visit?
No, I be
Debbie, I was so car age because who comment listen.
And with the age, no. You uncle Fubi or almost an uncle class. But you know, I'm in class.
In senior person, who said,
oh, Menini, I'm grown like Menini enough.
Middle 20s.
So let's continue with your musical journey. Do you have any influences when growing up? Like, in Kofubi, she say, yeah.
See, I have this tag, me slogan here. I'm about to prove it. Like, so what is
about to prove it? What are you about to prove?
Okay, so me sano school no. Yeah, sebi you. Yeah, the school papa. Oh, but now so me come call Kings. That time Kings school, my mega schools are
Kings College with the SHS.
Down the primary. On one side no. So that time there Kings, Cambridge, Angel, Spring of Life, those schools. And then competition no. But me no, I'm say say never teach you makakra. Into no person me like me focus on side no. But nyame na kai oh. So I was more into the music. I was that child that me not primary or entertainment prefect, but you need be school be anywhere who start any be that.
Yeah.
Me because they wanted to build me like start any me. But not me parents no monte as
you know African parents.
No, because my kid sister also been no so like
this ebusana mutika.
See, me do time all there.
And I'm on side them kwa.
Me papa wa been on, me papa na been sao. But that's the hard guy. But that be the hardest guy how. Also we from for, huh? But bro, who come papa care must see the things you go find, you go see. If you want, what person will share there, huh? Come papa care.
Hey,
you go read.
But I say me who say me tell a cappella now you say me who punchlines now there. Do you do anything about? Like yeah drugs and now no me so do or share to me try on more so your melody
the other guys are not showing your boy
you want some more to so munima there
it be lies unima there you can be no
lines near there the line
unima there unti obi obeka cha say o to nyum yakobol oboa onim
but o share the Jamaicans the cry no cry
see bro see how you go just write something and memorize the thing for years for decades you start to say your over two. Just like that same way now. Otro no. Okay, say easy.
Then I make a check God's love. Say, beat me on stage. Then he riff in the lyrics. In the fans, they share some more to ano akai. It happen.
Oh, there be also there. It's not normal.
But it be to artist be that. And my fans no or share no more to no because hey, I have one am share.
And normal. Maybe the person was on like the same person no or maybe so he's on something. That moment no or some or BBC.
So your lyrics, your melodies, you know be juju.
You for the rehearse as an artist. If you want to be like the person you want to be, you for just the rehearse anytime, any day. Me what time me say me friend me say me about radio station. I know say you go make us sing my song. You for no.
God's love you be more to.
And it's a whole stage.
So be to three kwa ka.
Oh yeah.
No be to pa God's love.
See. Whole stage and I say unim say be radio station. You for rehearse. Obi or you say, oh Charlie. Then in mind all day what then go ask them. And I say how the fans go react, how they go act. And no na adwene also. Inti na no refi no no.
Really?
You for think about this. Say black obijina. Inti na before performance, a professional artist before performance, say a live banner, omo rehearse no. E wo there on band no. Because every kick, every key, every snare, the piano. So at least if you know say I have to be drop it, I have to be muscle. If you know all the
but it no be easy
bro.
Like
be ya won't
me tell some more chonum there some you very intelligent.
Obe say get to for there, we for there, bro.
And so when you been at the can now you no brebe. Yes it is an ACGHS. And you been at the can.
So the primary or now they record
if I'm a first track
for the school inside there.
Nice superstar.
Oh yeah.
Xnaiq, yeah, time no.
The time no ko ya kasabre.
But when me yemfa one story we yenti me nko men kan say commercial breaking ma. Enti ne yenka one story we say na yen hwe wagen kire e wo ho.
Okay.
Eye entertainment analyst your friend is Saliman. Saliman say eye Kimpaluta and deserve artist of the year. On many reasons.
Okay.
Now reasons now the my and Mr. YJB but video no my ni enhwe.
A lot of people are ruling Stonebwoy out of this year's artist of the year contention, and it's wrong.
And they are saying who will win?
They are saying say Omo de Bema can promise that happens to be my untouchable.
No Kimpaluta.
Kimpaluta is not winning. Who told you Kimpaluta is winning?
No, I'm asking a question.
One winner that. Kimpaluta they brand no. Ah, what the be winning baby. The two contenders. Me face artist of the year category. They are winning it hands down. And you Stonebwoy. Because Ushe criteria no ye demand audience appeal. And people are releasing a new album no okita. The same thing as Kim Promise. Onusu kita. The ma Stonebwoy. Any Kim Promise. Ebiti Kimpaluta. Any branding. Only brand. Kimpaluta. Any artist. What fan base? Only fan base. Or fan base and go on one show. Only be.
Your time no a short into when you be here or analysis first.
Okay. Métier. And I'm a share so. So okay say Kimpaluta brand ben or stop playing. Who dare go too much? I'll grow be when so. You don't even know the grind. You don't even know the hustle. You don't even know the artist of the year. Only. No. Now come on, Eddie. So Kimpaluta is winning. Forget.
Into also.
Kimpaluta is winning. See, bro. See,
awards no Kumasi for Yanka.
Say Paluta winning award we are. Kumasi from far. Yendani echi.
Yeah, that's Goslap. That's the main. Yeah, was no.
Come on, say anka dying to you say contracted anything. Stop Ebian if you are about me so. We the artists for fight for Kimpaluta. Anka by now ko yen na kumati phone na to taniki no so.
But one thing that Saliman I was so who say Saliman tiase say yemfa obi ebu a wo mu ade emfa man say yemfa man award. You need to understand that Saliman because so obi mu dia yem fe no classify say was say eni kwan say onya artist of the year ye the talent ne crafts and ye cast a brand obi a one brand you can't figure a brand for any artist. You can't teach an artist how on sim branding in sim fa yeah esha say Kimpaluta esha see with music. Kimpaluta a rapper with the bema or bema back to back and on one who say Ghana rap now or they more no or the song melody can we be blue man and alpha or one a brand. You can't force any artist to be a brand that you Saliman you want. And then any emfa dibuo and a dema award ye the talent near dema awards.
And as artist be a
yes. And
Xnaiq anyway,
bro.
Oh no, we blew up kwa Grammy Saba.
What's so more dear?
But if we come Mukana, bounce said in the Chibiran. Like, Ubeka so more dear. And one day you can say Kimpaluta and million on the concerts. So no to me and
like me say me when I say analysis.
Stonebwoy bet me and on one casting show. Why you bet Paluta and million to qualified to win artist of the year? It's not right.
I don't know.
Obet my started free be a cool baby. Wait. Stonebwoy and started now or best started on the concept and he had to build some like or building fan base right now. Paluta was our fan base.
Yeah,
he get people where then they support call Udion Tifas say call Dunka on a fin Sasa no Manso people where then the F with Kimpaluta
and when you say Xnaiq when you Xnaiq so okase so obi having even message you gospel musician Nigeria wo born no mo jidin ko different countries ko shows near the but him say recently ya no say so on one ka say bo no shows. So you can't say no bo shows and meaning say bia oka TGMA like in 24 I don't know.
Say the musie nyoma wa akra no. Omun say fa Shatawale be show. On a face of we now obey no. He Shatawale pulling be 10,000 people. But no one says Paluta back and answer no kwai ne emphasis say the Shatawale ni Stonebwoy mo ye to deserve it. Kim promise ayi be mo mahu o deserve it. Stonebwoy ayi be mo mahu o deserve it. Black wa be. But mo say Kim Paluta that numbers no wa ye be. Into no mukasa only reason bia no one dey can.
The point no they can but
into ye ba
one thing so make you one funny comment or make you say or replying for on reply hey any shatter kure ni kwanse call onya award any kwanse nka because one way or the other artist bia ka say tia obi da
omuye
obi aka Bena boy when ka say tia obi da
strong man ko e bomuso omu ade omo frɛ no na e program omo frɛ no omuso omu ade
that game we na ye hu ne say sanka omunim emotions any depressions I what boy amanfo mu ahun anka wo kan obi asem kranka be steady cause what blow and so na depression
like in some better say ebu obi tim ka just on me work like in kwase like that book a video like when you need to motivate mom like God bless you guys
and so can send be say I also share
yes
me who is the some per trend
sana me so man dey sana me hunu
I don't late God's love off late or trend so comedian so
Xnaiq was there Salma Obeya no Salimon no Shatawale entertainment analyst
I mean ka say me job yo Shatawale subani bi yes yo Shatawale subani bi
yeah entertainment more yeah analyst ba
we person
o Shataji
yeni na ya bodam
record we to one day me the better
what can say unya right yeni na ya nyoma we to ba people all respect who cast me also dream pakon ho so offended asama also dream pakon no wa bokan odi any project to ko kan ko bit now yeni na betimi aka say the same thing about mu ade be hu here
let me
unya trend na
the entire most artists now you say some of them they smoke, some of them they drink, some of them they are on drugs statistics are normal way so obi wa on timi keep you cool with those things no obesa won forget it me try say me forget you but me timi into you say or your drug be and so or fa bibia or smoking and so bibia na be man akọ and then it will be taking the person to that stage is almost after the waba be right and your funny face in I just saw this guy Justin Bieber recently I was like yo
bro
but me the chair but
it's not drugs.
It's drugs. Like, no, you ever feel it say, why is he doing that? Time they call him.
Yeah. So what do you mean? So for social media handles, on my that face, yeah, and he funny be who's Xnaiq no.
So Xnaiq X and AIQ is everywhere. X and the xylophone X. So X and AIQ everywhere.
Okay.
What they boy nam kwansha ho Xnaiq.
TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. And now boom play so Xnaiq Spotify boom
me yeah artist from
Xnaiq on
I'm so concerned about the Apple Music
okay
Apple Music everywhere Xnaiq
and thank you very much we really appreciate you having you on our show and it was just fantastic and because we kawajin
God's love
we so who can so can wagin near wagin chow na wakan and I love that
next time bia nipa bia me no issue bia me or me ba me ne beba
next time I will love say stuff like so and also and I'm mom who back to back was it bango TETE MMOFRA online TV TETE MMOFRA AKOHUNU nana ohwe me din ade goslava fum de bia dan nya me nkwa na metena konya kese mu me ne MC Omar Sterling the only MC
amenye yi
onye yi ewo kumase
weddings near any gym quadi ye by many, Mr.
And then the special artist I was a guest or make it good analysis. Some Xnaiq on our show. It's a honey did you make the ending in a besi medase. So when you're brave, no what's ye.